Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Zoom on your iPhone. Make sure the app is installed and permissions are granted for camera and microphone. Once signed in, tap Join if you have a meeting ID or Schedule if you want to create one. If you're joining, enter the meeting ID and your display name, then check audio and video options shown below the box. This gets you into the app quickly and avoids delays when a host admits you. You'll enter the meeting screen next. Choose whether to join with video on or off and select Join with Audio. Tap Call via device audio for best quality. Once in, swipe to reveal controls. Mute/unmute, start/stop video, and switch camera to adjust framing. Use the Participants button to raise your hand or rename yourself, and open Chat to send messages. If you need to present, tap Share Content and choose Screen, Photos, or Files. Make sure to grant screen recording permission first. When the meeting wraps, tap Leave in the top right and choose Leave Meeting, or End Meeting if you're the host. This closes the session cleanly. If you run into trouble, no audio or camera, go to iPhone Settings, find Zoom and re-enable camera and microphone, then force close and reopen the app. For choppy audio, switch from cellular to Wi-Fi, disable video to save bandwidth, or use call via device audio as a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.